Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this short tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make a twisted knot knit headband in few minutes. You can literally do this in 5 to 10 minutes. For this I'm just going to be using this stretchy piece of fabric, and it's 22 inches by length and 8 inches by width. Okay, do well to subscribe to this channel, leave a like if you find it very helpful, and let's get right into it. So for this, I'm going to be using this fabric, and it's 22 inches by length and 8 inches by width. Okay, so now the first thing that you want to do is just to turn this to the right side. This is my right side actually. So I'm just going to be folding this into two like this, and then I'm going to be sewing along this line. Then I'll be turning it inside out. So once you've gone ahead to sew this like this, you're just going to turn this to the right side, just like you can see me doing like this. So once you've turned it to the right side, just along the side that you have your seam, that you made your seam, okay, you're just going to make that to be in the middle. I don't know if you get, you're going to make that to be in the middle, and it's going to face upward. So now you're just going to iron along that line so the seam is flat and it's hidden inside. So I've gone ahead to iron along this seam just like I talked about. Just make sure that it's facing upward and give that a good press down. So then once you have this, you just want to turn it to the right side like this. I want you to turn it to the right side, and the right side is facing you like this. You're going to go ahead and hold the two pieces together like this. Okay, this is it. So you're just going to hold it like this. Then you're going to take this piece and you're going to flip it to the back. Okay, then you take this other one and flip it to the front. So once you do that, now you're just going to go ahead and sew on 1/2 inch to close this up. So once I've gone ahead to sew on this line, this is what I have. So you can just go ahead now to open it up. And once you've opened it up, you're basically done with your headband. This is what it's looking like. Okay,